Morning, Taylor. I say good morning. Have you heard my car, what it sound like?
No. Is it gonna scare me?
Maybe. I wanted to get your reaction.
I'm scared. Don't make me go deaf.
Huh?
Don't make me go deaf.
Oh. It's loud. Wake everybody up. We just dropped off my sister at school, and now we're gonna give her a wash because today in this video, pulling up to the Kinetic Autoworks once again, and we are going to be dropping off the car so they can do their final checks, so it can get dynoed, hopefully. And y'all enjoy this video. Y'all like this video, comment, subscribe to the Dre World, because y'all don't want to miss that dyno, bro. That dyno video, bro. This is gonna be my first experience of my car getting dynos. So I'm excited. Already bought a new engine for it, yeah. What's up, YouTube? She's all clean. Look at this beauty, y'all. So today we are going, like I said, to Kinetic Autoworks, and we are dropping off the car so they can do their final checks, so we can go ahead and finally drive how we want to and race everybody and gap everybody on the road. But yeah, look at this beauty, bro. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at that water, bro. What is that? I just made it worse. It's all good. But yeah, y'all. I was doing some shorts and stuff like that. Gotta get all the content in the world, so I'm gonna go ahead, drive up there. I might talk to y'all while I'm driving up there, but yeah. I don't know, bro. I'm just recording, take you on this journey. Let's go. Yo. YouTube, there's a cybertruck right there, bruh. That's my first time seeing one in person. I think. No, it's not. Like first time like really up close. That don't look like why that don't look like a Minecraft car, bro? A Lego y'all ever play Legos, the Lego games in the 360, bro? I used to always play Legos, bro. That's what it looks like. Looking like a Lego box truck. Hey, nah, though, but like, imagine if like they put some vents in the back, right? Put a little ducktail wing in the middle of it. Put some vents in the back, like a GTR, you know how, or Audi R8, you know how like the back it has those vents. Imagine putting those on the back with the wing. Lower that bit. That shit might be hard. That shit might be hard, bro. Oh God. What's good, YouTube? We over here on the highway. We 7 minutes away. We're gonna be dropping her off. Hold on, let me roll the windows up. That shit loud as fuck. Y'all can hear her in the car. So yeah, y'all, we're gonna be dropping her off so they can do their final little touches and to get prepped for the dyno. Y'all heard me. I know y'all excited, so y'all go ahead, subscribe, and stay tuned because we're turning up, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Y'all don't want to miss that dyno video. Ooh, I gotta take an exit. Just put on y'all blinker and y'all good. They're gonna let you over. Hopefully. If not, they asshole. Am I on track? I think I am. Yeah, I am. I'm trying to burn like all this gas, you know what I'm saying? I was real life driving on 0 miles for like 10 minutes, bro, and I got scared, bro. I got scared, so I stopped at a gas station. But they need it under 1/4, and it's definitely under 1/4. So, yeah. Let's see if we cut up a little bit. That truck probably gonna get over. Alright, y'all, that's enough. I hear some shit like engine, so I'm gonna take it out of sport, and we're gonna be arriving in destination real soon. We are here. We arrived at our destination with the 5.0. We got CTVS right there. I think this is an M5. M5 or M3? Yes, we got a Camaro on the dyno right now. Y'all see all the whips. We got M4 right here. DRZ. Damn, alright. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Let me go talk. Hey, y'all, this man pulled up in a Lotus, bro. That joint crazy. Yee, that boy ballin'. I'm trying to get like him, man. I don't know if y'all can see, but she right there. She on the alignment. She about to get the oil change. She getting the tires on the car right now. All that. There's another look. She looking nice. She getting the tires on it right now. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go ahead. So the process is gonna be like 2 days. We're gonna do a basic tune for the 93 gas. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna keep adding ethanol, and boost the fuck out this bitch. You know, y'all seen in my POV drives, right? Y'all seen, I was saying this joint way faster just with the intake and the headers. You know what I'm saying? With the E85 in the tune, bro. What? Joint crazy. Let's see if we start that. Yeah, that's just crazy. I'm trying to get like you, bro. Yes, sir. Big motivation right here, man. Yes, sir. Nice. Y'all seen this one? Like, you don't see these every day. You know what I mean? Damn. shit's stupid. That's the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe. Do not miss the future videos, bruh. This is a journey with the car. I just dropped it off. And today, I'm about to go pick it up. So y'all better stay tuned to that video.